Today, I show you how to quickly import product attributes in WooCommerce, perfect for managing both small and large stores. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Products in the left-hand menu. At the top of the page, click Import. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. Column names should match the attributes you want to import, like size, color, or material. This ensures WooCommerce correctly recognizes your data. Next, click Choose File to select your CSV, then click Continue. WooCommerce will prompt you to map your CSV columns to the corresponding attribute fields. Make sure everything aligns correctly so your attributes go to the right place. Finally, click Run the Importer. Depending on your file size, this might take a few moments. Once it's done, WooCommerce will show a summary of what was imported and highlight any issues. And that's it. Your product attributes are now successfully imported, keeping your store organized and up to date.